Hello, and welcome to the online public involvement meeting for the Wisconsin Highway 59 project between Wisconsin Highway 106 and the eastern limits of Jefferson County. This presentation will discuss the project limits, the need for this project, the proposed improvements, and the detour route for this project. We will also cover the historic areas within/near the project limits, the milestones that have been completed thus far, the upcoming schedule, and finally, a list of contacts for questions about the project. The proposed project begins in the village of Palmyra, just west of the 106-59 intersection, and ends on the east side of the County Z 59 intersection at the Jefferson-Waukesha County line. The length of this project is 2.6 miles, as shown in magenta. Pavement along 59 is deteriorating with extensive cracking and rutting, as shown in the photos. The existing pavement has caused poor ride quality and allows for water intrusion, which can weaken the underlying base material. Curb ramps located in the village of Palmyra along 59 are not compliant with the standards of the Americans with Disabilities Act, known as the ADA. Some substandard aspects include steep slopes, narrow widths, lack of a detectable warning field, and utility facility conflicts, as shown in the photos. The culvert structure along 59 just east of Mill Road over the west branch of the Scuppernong River has numerous deficiencies. The top surface has many delaminated areas, long cracks, and spalls. The bridge rail has many concrete pop-outs and cracks, and most of the wing walls are tipping inward. Also, the sidewalk on the structure is not compliant with ADA standards. The 59 culvert structure over the east branch of the Scuppernong River, west of Zion Road, needs a deck overlay and repairs to the wing walls on the north side of the structure. The existing deck has delaminated areas and extensive cracking, and the ends of the northern wing walls are spalled off with exposed steel rebar, as shown in the pictures. The northwest wing wall of the 59 culvert structure east of County H over the Scuppernong River is tipped inward and needs to be replaced. The existing guardrail system is substandard, with downturned guardrail ends, as shown on the left, and needs to be upgraded to meet current standards, as shown on the right. Two storm sewer inlets along 59, including the inlet across from Mill Road and the inlet east of the culvert structure near Mill Road, are experiencing a reduced drainage capacity due to a buildup of debris. As shown on the right, the curb and gutter at the southeast corner of the intersection of 59 and County Z has deteriorated and needs to be replaced. Project improvements include resurfacing 59 from 106 to the eastern limits of Jefferson County. Resurfacing will remove approximately 5 inches of existing asphaltic material and pave back 5 inches of new hot mixed asphaltic pavement. The proposed project will also include upgrading the existing curb ramps to better meet ADA standards. Additionally, the project will include replacing the 59 culvert structure over the west branch of the Scuppernong River, a concrete deck overlay, and repairs to the northern wing walls of the 59 culvert structure over the east branch of the Scuppernong River, and replacing the northwest wing wall of the 59 culvert structure near County H. Also, new guardrail will be installed, 2 inlets will be replaced, and the curb and gutter at the southeast corner of the intersection of 59 and County Z will be replaced. During construction, 59 will be closed and through traffic will need to use the posted detour route. The proposed detour is anticipated to use 67, 12, and 59 as shown in blue for both eastbound and westbound traffic. Access to local and business areas will be maintained via flagging operations. There are 2 areas within the project limits that are eligible for the Historic Registry. The first is the Palmyra Main Street Historic District, which is located in downtown Palmyra along Main Street between 4th Street and 1st Street. The anticipated work activities within and adjacent to this historic district include asphalt paving in the roadway, concrete paving for the curb and gutter, curb ramps, and sidewalk, and grading/restoration around the sidewalk as shown. We anticipate acquiring right-of-way within 5 parcels in the historic district. More information will be provided to the owners of the affected parcels when the real estate acquisition process begins. The second historic area is located at 504 East Main Street. The anticipated work activities adjacent to this historic area include asphalt paving in the roadway, the work on this 59 culvert structure west of Zion Road, as mentioned earlier, guardrail upgrades, shouldering, grading, and restoration around the guardrail upgrades as shown. We anticipate acquiring right-of-way adjacent to this historic area, but not within it. More information will be provided to the owners of the affected parcels when the real estate acquisition process begins. For recent milestones, initial coordination letters were sent in 2020 to local property owners and local agencies, and survey data was collected. In 2021, the preliminary plans and wetland determinations were completed. Additionally, the draft environmental report was started. We are currently conducting virtual public involvement. The environmental report has begun, and we anticipate it to be signed by October 2022. Right-of-way will be needed near most of the curb ramp upgrade locations and structure locations, not the entire project. Real estate acquisitions are expected to begin in January 2023. The plans for the project should be finalized by August 2025, and construction is anticipated to begin in spring/summer 2026. Here's contact information for staff working on this project. Thank you for taking time to watch this presentation. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns about this project, please send us an email, give us a call, or send us mail to the WIS Southwest Region Madison office. Additional project information will also be regularly updated on the project website shown on the screen. Thank you for your time and have a great day.